Let's reflect on the highlights of that innings. Started with a few runs down the leg side, then quite unlucky, the first batter. Azan Ewes was the first to go, followed by Siobhan Daniel from Sri Lanka. He was a judge LBW. And the Giants got to 32 for 3 after the first power play, Sanamir, and it was an uphill battle for them in the middle phase.
Mardan seamers were pretty impressive. And Uzair Mumtaz, the captain, played a captain's knock. He made sure he took advantage of all the bad deliveries, whether it was from the paces or the spinners, and it was his show.
Yeah, they did a fine job in consolidating the innings. They produced 66 runs between overs number 7 and 15. It was a lovely stroke over that extra cover region by Waqas. And then attempting another boundary, he held out.
The seamers from Mardan Warriors were very impressive. 7 wickets down for the Giants, and all 7 taken by the seamers. And this guy on the screen, Emil Khan, he was really impressive. Some innovative shots at the end also from Gujranwala Giants.
33 of the last 5 overs, that's what the Giants produce, because it was a fine spell of bowling. Emil Khan with 3 for 15. He was impressive. And they never really let the Giants off the hook. That was the fall of another wicket in that last phase. And the innings ended on 131 for 7 after 20 overs.